Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. And today I'm doing a really lazy Sunday dinner. A few weeks ago in Asda we saw this beef slices in gravy and Steve said, oh yeah, I'll give it a go. So I don't know why, a couple of days back I had this brainwave. We'll use this and we'll make a meal in a giant Yorkshire pudding. Now, as you know, I always make my own Yorkshire puddings, except when I bought them as part of a meal deal, as in the Christmas meal deal we did from Herons, or as I'm doing today. Now, 2 Yorkshire puddings from giant Yorkshire puddings they're called. They're not giant compared to mine, but hey ho. Morrison's for £1.59. One in Sainsbury's was £1.75. So we've got beef, we've got Yorkshire pudding, we've got something again I don't buy, frozen roast potatoes. We've got some frozen mixed veg. Now that's for one person. So what we did was I bought some carved chicken breast slices, proper chicken. I'm going to have chicken. So because I'm having chicken, I've made up a small amount of stuffing as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the instructions on these things because I haven't cooked them before, so I haven't got a clue. To see how we cook them and we'll get started. Now, apparently the potatoes take 20 minutes, well 22 minutes I think it says. So I'm going to, 20 to 22 minutes, I'm going to cook them in the Ninja foodie jewel. And so I'm just going to put them in the drawer. They are little potatoes, aren't they? Okay, there's lots there. And they're going in at 190 for 20 minutes. The beef takes 6 minutes, I think it said, in the microwave, 6.5 minutes in the microwave. So they'll go in there. These, the Yorkies, take 6 minutes again, and I'll do them in the Ninja Jewel because, as you can see, they're not going to fit, are they? So they'll have to go in the Jewel. And my chicken, I will make some gravy and I'll warm it through in the gravy. So we shall be back shortly. I thought I'd just show you this little pot of beef in gravy. I was expecting just a plastic pouch, but it is actually in a little pot. So I've got to pierce that a few times and then 6.5 minutes in the microwave. There's about 8 minutes left on the potatoes and yeah, they're looking good. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop the stuffing, couldn't even think what it was called, what an idiot, in with them and we'll be back. Okay then, let's see how it tastes. I actually think it looks really good. So let's, oh, that's the Yorkshire pudding, so that's nice and crispy. So Yorkshire pudding. Yeah, not bad. On the little potatoes. Oh my, they're actually really quite nice. Now the veg, I'm really not a fan of frozen veg, especially frozen carrots, but it was a quick meal. That was the whole point of this. Can I just say they're okay? Now this chicken is what I'm really interested in too, because it would have served 2 of us, which would have made it £2.50, which is dearer than a whole chicken, I know, but saves on the cooking and it's just there whenever. So you know what, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. It is a pretty good quick cheats Sunday roast. So if you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down below. I'm always happy to respond, and I will see you again very soon on the next In the Kitchen with Pen. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen and sometimes
Steve.
If you'd like to see more of our cooking and review videos, then click here.
But if you'd really like to help the channel grow and subscribe, please click here.
Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
Oh yes. Keep cooking. Right, send that to me.